Hello viewers, we have been discussing some MCQs of previous year question paper of UGC NET paper 1 general, and in that series I have already uploaded if I'm not wrong 9 videos till now. So this will be our 10th video, and moreover I have also uploaded revision videos. 5 revision videos have been uploaded till now, and I hope these videos are helping you, but do not treat it as absolute preparation source. Do your own research, do your own study, stick to syllabus, treat it as a secondary source of preparation. Okay, that's all. Now let's begin our discussion of this video. This question paper is 2012 June NET question paper, and the first question is: video conferencing can be classified as one of the following types of communication. Video conferencing can be classified as one of the following types of communication: visual one way, audio visual one way, audio visual two way, visual two way. So what will be the correct answer? Correct answer will be audio visual two way. Audio visual two way. Second question: MC National University of Journalism and Communication is located at MC National University of Journalism and Communication is located at Lucknow, Bhopal, Chennai, Mumbai. So correct option will be number B, that is Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh capital, if I'm not wrong, Bhopal. Next, All India Radio AIR for broadcasting was named in the year 1926, 36, 46, 56. So the correct option will be number B, that is in 1936 All India Radio AIR for broadcasting was named. Number 4, in India for broadcasting TV programs, which system is followed? In India for broadcasting TV programs, which system is followed? NDCS, PAL, NTSC, SECAM. So correct option will be PAL. PAL system is adopted in India to broadcast TV programs. Number 5, the term DAVP stands for what? The term DAVP stands for what? Directorate of Advertising and Vocal Publicity, Division of Audio-Visual Publicity, Department of Audio-Visual Publicity, Directorate of Advertising and Visual Publicity. So it will be number D, that is Directorate of Advertising and Visual Publicity. Then number 6, the term TRP, you must have heard. TRP is associated with TV shows, stands for what? Total rating point, time rating points, thematic rating points, television rating points. 6. Correct option of number 6, it will be D, television rating point. Television rating point. Number 7, which is the number that comes next in the following sequence? Which is the number that comes next in the following sequence? 2, 6, 12, 20, 30, 42, 56. So 60, 64, 72, 70. These are the options. Correct option will be number C, 72 will come in the following sequence. Number 8, find the next letter for the series YVSP. We have to now find the next letter for the series YVSP, NMOL. So the correct option will be B, M. Okay, M is the correct answer. Number 9, it says, given that in a code language 645 means day is warm, 42 means warm spring, and 634 means spring is sunny, which digit represents sunny? 3, 2, 4, 5. Correct answer will be number 3 will represent sunny, number A. Okay, 9 is done. Now we have 10. 10 means, the 10 has asked us the basis of the following classification is first president of India, author of Godan, books in my library, blue things and students who work hard. These will be what? Common names, proper names, descriptive phrases, indefinite descriptions. So correct option will be number C. These are descriptive phrases. Number 11. In the expression, nothing is larger itself, the relation is larger than is. What? Anti-symmetric, asymmetrical, intransitive, irreflexive. So the correct option will be number D, that is irreflexive. Irreflexive. Irreflexive means, okay. Number 12. This is related to assertion and reason. In assertion A, we have given there are more laws on the books today than ever before and more crimes being committed than ever before. Reason is because to reduce crime we must eliminate the laws. Now we have to choose the correct answer from below. So here so many options are given. I will not read all the options. Let me tell you the correct answer straight forwardly. So it will be number A. That means A is true. A is true. R is A is true. R is doubtful, and R is not the correct explanation of A. Number 13, it says, if the proposition all men are not mortal is true, then which of the following inferences is correct? Choose from the code given below. All men are mortal is true, some men are mortal is false, no men are mortal is doubtful, all men are mortal is false. 1, 2 and 3, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 3 and 4, 1 and 3. So the correct option it will be number B. 2, 3 and 4 are correct. 2, 3 and 4 are correct except the 1. What was the one? All men are mortal. Number 14, it says determine the nature of the following definition. We have to determine the nature of the following definition. Abortion means the ruthless murdering of innocent beings. So this is what? A lexical, persuasive, stipulative, theoretical. So this will be persuasive, B. 15 says, which one of the following is not an argument? It says not an argument. Please remember. Number A says, Devadat does not eat in the day, so he must be eating at night. If Devadat is growing fat and if he does not eat during the day, he will be eating at night. See, Devadat eats in the night, so he does not eat during the day. Since Devadat does not eat in the day, he must be eating in the night. So, what do you think? Choose one option inside your mind. So, except B, all are argument. If Devadat is growing fat and if he does not eat during the day, he will be eating at night. So, this is not an argument. Number 14, number 15, 16 says, Venn diagram is a kind of diagram to represent what? To represent and assess the validity of elementary inferences of syllogistic form. To represent but not assess the validity of elementary inferences of syllogistic form. To represent and assess the truth of elementary inferences of syllogistic form. To assess but not represent the truth of elementary inferences of syllogistic form. So the correct answer of number 16, it will be A. It represent and assess the validity of elementary inferences of syllogistic form. Number 17, it says reasoning by analogy leads to what? Certainty, definite conclusion, predictive conjecture, surety. 17, reasoning by analogy leads to C. Predictive conjecture. Number 18. Which of the following statements are false? Choose from the code given below. Inductive argument always proceed from the particular to the general. 2. A cogent argument must be inductively strong. 3. A valid argument may have a false premise and a false conclusion. 4. An argument may legitimately be spoken of as true or false. 2, 3, and 4, 1 and 3, 2 and 4, 1 and 2. What do you think? Correct option of this question, it will be number C. That will be 2 and 4 are correct. A cogent argument must be inductively strong, and an argument may legitimately be spoken of as true or false. Okay, so option will be number C. Let you have known, I will not mark it. Number 19, it says 6 persons A, B, C, D and E and F are standing in a circle. B is between F and C. A is between E and D. F is to the left of D. Who is between A and F? B, C, D, E. So correct option, it will be C. That means D. The price of petrol increases by 25%. By what percentage must a customer reduce the consumption so that the earlier bill on the petrol does not alter? 20%, 25%, 30%, 33.33%, 20. So correct option will be number A, that is 20%. 21 says, if Ram knows that y is an integer greater than 2 and less than 7, and Hari knows that y is an integer greater than 5 and less than 10, then they may correctly conclude that y can be exactly determined. Y may be either of two values. Y may be any of three values. There is no value of y satisfying these conditions. 21's correct option, it will be y can be exactly determined. Y can be exactly determined. 21. 22. 22. 4 pipes can fill a reservoir in 15, 20, 30 and 60 hours respectively. The first one was opened at 6 a.m., second at 7 a.m., third at 8 a.m. and the fourth at 9 a.m. When will the reservoir be filled? Reservoir. Sorry for the pronunciation. 22, the correct option of 22, it will be C. Okay, that means 1 p.m. Wait. C is the correct option. Then we have got one chart. The total electricity generation in a country is 97 gigawatt, if I'm not wrong. GW. The contribution of various energy sources is indicated in percentage terms in the pie chart given below. Then so this is the picture. 70% is related to fossil fuels, 3% nuclear power, 7% wind and solar energy, 20% hydropower. Now we have to find out what is the contribution of wind and solar power in absolute terms in the electricity generation. 6.79 GW, 19.4 GW, 9.7 GW, 29.1 GW. 23 correct answer will be 6.79 GW. 24 says, what is the contribution of renewable energy sources in absolute terms in the electricity generation? 29.1, 26.19, 67.9, 97 GW. So correct answer will be B, 26.119. Remember? Very good. So 23-24 question is for blind students. Moving on, we have got 25, right? Yes. 25 says TCP TCP/IP is necessary if one is to connect to the phone lines, LAN, internet, a server. 25. It should be C, that is internet. Each character on the keyboard of computer has an ASC II value, which stands for II. Value stands for what? American Stock Code for Information Interchange, American Standard Code for Information Interchange, African Standard Code for Information Interchange, Adaptable Standard Code for Information Change. So correct option will be number B, that is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. 27 says, which one of the following is not a programming language? Which of the following is not a programming language? Pascal, Microsoft Office, Java, C++. It will be B, Microsoft Office. This is not a programming language. 28. Minimum number of bits required to store any 3-digit decimal number is equal to what? 3, 5, 8, 10. Minimum number of bits required to store any 3-digit decimal number is equal to it will be 10. That means number D is correct. Number 29. Internet Explorer is a type of what? Operating system, compiler, browser, IP address. 29. You all know, you must have used it. It is a browser like Chrome and Opera Mini. 30. It says POP3 and IMAP are email accounts in which one automatically gets one's mail every day. One has to be connected to the server to read or write one's mail. One only has to be connected to the server to send and receive email. One does not need any telephonic lines. What do you think? POP3 and IMAP are email accounts in which number 30? It will be C. One only has to be connected to the server to send and receive email. Number C. Done. Okay, number 31, it says irritation in eyes is caused by the pollutant. Irritation in eyes is caused by the pollutant sulfur dioxide, ozone, pan, nitrous oxide. It will be number C, pan. Irritation in eyes is caused by the pollutant C, that is pan, PAN. Number 32, which is the source of chlorofluorocarbons? Which is the source of chlorofluorocarbons? Thermal power plants, automobiles, refrigeration and air conditioning, fertilizers. This will be refrigeration and air conditioning. Then next question, 33. It says, which of the following is not a renewable natural resource? Not a renewable natural resource. Clean air, fertile soil, fresh water, salt. So correct answer will be salt. Salt is not a renewable natural resource. Salt, you all use it. Without it, life is tasteless. 34. Which of the following parameters is not used as a pollution indicator in water? Which of the following parameters is not used as a pollution indicator in water? Total dissolved solids, coliform count, dissolved oxygen, density. So correct answer will be density. S and P waves are associated with what? S and P waves are associated with floods, wind energy, earthquakes, tidal energy. 35. It will be C, earthquakes. S&P waves are associated with earthquakes. Number 36. Match list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answer from the codes given below. In list 1, we have ozone hole, greenhouse effect, natural hazards, sustainable development. In list 2, we have tsunami, UV, radiations, methane, ecocentrism. So options are like this. Wait. We were doing number 36. 36. Okay. So correct option of 36, it will be A. That means ozone hole is related to UV radiation, ultraviolet radiation, if I'm not wrong. 2C, greenhouse effect, is related to methane. 3A, natural hazards, is related to tsunami. 4D, sustainable development, is related to tsunami. Let me mark it right for you. Number 37. Indian Institute of Advanced Study is located at which place? Dharamsala, Simla, Solan, Chandigarh. It will be number B. Indian Institute of Advanced Study is located at Simla in Himachal Pradesh. 38. Indicate the number of regional offices of National Council of Teacher Education. Indicate the number of regional offices of National Council of Teacher Education. 4, 5, 6, 8. So correct answer will be, there are 4 regional offices of National Council of Teacher Education. 4 office. Number A is correct. 39. Which of the following rights was considered the heart and soul of the Indian Constitution by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? Freedom of speech, right to equality, right to freedom of religion, right to constitutional remedies. So correct answer will be right to constitutional remedies. That means you can edit, you can amend constitution according to the change, according to time or circumstance. 40. Who among the following created the office of the district collector in India? Who among the following created the office of the district collector in India? Lord Cornwallis, Warren Hastings, the Royal Commission on Decentralization, Sir Charles Metcalfe. So it will be Warren Hastings. Okay, Warren Hastings has created the office of the district collector in India. 41 says the fundamental duties of a citizen include what? Respect for the constitution, the national flag and the national anthem, to develop the scientific temper, respect for the government, to protect wildlife. Now we have to choose the correct answer from the quotes given below. I will not read the quote, I will tell you the correct answer. So the correct answer, it will be number B. That means 1, 2 and 4 are correct. 1, 2 and 4 are correct. 3 is not correct. Respect for the constitution, the national flag and the national anthem, to develop the scientific temper, to protect wildlife. So there is no mention of respect for the government. 42. The President of India takes oath. The President of India takes oath to uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, to bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India, to uphold the Constitution and laws of the country, to preserve, to protect and defend the Constitution and the law of the country. 42. Correct answer will be the President of India takes oath to preserve, to protect and to defend the Constitution and the law of the country. 43. If you get an opportunity to teach a visually challenged student along with normal students, what type of treatment would you like to give him in the class? Not giving extra attention because majority may suffer. take care of him sympathetically in the classroom. C. You will think that blindness is his destiny and hence you cannot do anything. D. Arrange a seat in the front row and try to teach at a pace convenient to him. So 43. Correct answer will be arrange a seat in the front row and try to teach at a pace convenient to him. 44. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a good achievement test? Which of the following is not a characteristic of a good achievement test? Reliability, objectivity, ambiguity, validity. 44. Number C, ambiguity is the correct answer. This is not a characteristic of a good achievement test. 45. Which of the following does not belong to a projected aid? Which one or which of the following does not belong to a projected aid? Overhead projector, blackboard, epidiscope, slide projector. Does not belong. Remember the sentence, does not belong. So it will be blackboard. The rest it belongs except blackboard, overhead projector, slide projector, epidiscope. These all are from or these all are related to projected aid. 46. For a teacher, which of the following methods would be correct for writing on the blackboard? For a teacher, which of the following methods would be correct for writing on the blackboard? Writing fast and as clearly as possible, writing the matter first and then asking students to read it, asking a question to students and then writing the answer as stated by them, writing the important points as clearly as possible. Number 46. Correct option of 46, it will be writing the important points as clearly as possible. Number 47. A teacher can be successful if he/she helps students in becoming better citizens, imparts subject knowledge to students, prepares students to pass the examination, presents the subject matter in a well-organized manner. So a teacher can be successful if he/she D presents the subject matter in a well-organized manner. So the correct option will be number D. Okay, presents the subject matter in a well-organized manner. 48. It says dynamic approach to a teaching means what? Teaching should be forceful and effective. Teacher should be energetic and dynamic. The topics of teaching should not be static but dynamic. The students should be required to learn through activities. The correct option will be the dynamic approach to teaching. It means the students should be required to learn through activities. Number D will be the correct option. Similarly, 49, it says the research that aims at immediate application. The research that aims at immediate applications is what? Action research, empirical research, conceptual research, fundamental research. So correct option of 49, it will be A. That is the research that aims at immediate application is action research. Number 50, it says when two or more successive footnotes refer to the same work, which one of the following expression is used? IBID, et.al, op.cit, loc.cit. So 50, the correct answer will be number 1A, that is IBID. It is related to the research aptitude. 51. 9-year-olds are taller than 7-year-olds. This is an example of a reference drawn from vertical study, cross-sectional study, time series study, experimental study. 51. It will be number B, cross-sectional study. Cross-sectional study. Number 52. Conferences are meant for what? Multiple target groups, group discussions, showcasing new research, all the above. 52. Conferences are meant for D. That is all. Multiple target groups, group discussions, showcasing new research, and all the above. 53. Ex post facto research means what? The research is carried out after the incident. The research is carried out prior to the incident. The research is carried out along with the happening of an incident. D. The research is carried out keeping in mind the possibilities of an incident. So the correct option will be 53. Ex post facto research means the research is carried out after the incident. Ex post. Post means you all know after. 54. Research ethics do not include what? Honesty, subjectivity, integrity, objectivity. Research ethics do not include honesty, subjectivity, integrity, objectivity. Number B, it does not include subjectivity. Okay, it does not include subjectivity. 55, we have to read the entire paragraph, the passage, and then we have to solve the question, and then our entire question paper will be finished. Okay, let me read it for you. Read the following passage carefully and answer the questions 55 to 60. James Madison said, "A people who mean to be their own governors must arm themselves with power that knowledge gives." In India, the Official Secrets Act 1923 was an convenient smokescreen to deny members of the public access to information. Public functioning has traditionally been shrouded in secrecy, but in a democracy in which people govern themselves, it is necessary to have more openness. In the maturing of our democracy, right to information is a major step forward. It enables citizens to participate fully in the decision-making process that affects their lives so profoundly. It is in this context that the address of the Prime Minister in the Lok Sabha is significant. He said, "I would only like to see that everyone, particularly our civil servants, should see the bill in a positive spirit, not as a draconian law for paralyzing government, but as an instrument for improving government citizen interface, resulting in a friendly, caring, and effective government functioning for the good of our people." He further said, "This is an innovative bill where there will be scope to review its functioning as we gain experience. Therefore, this is a piece of legislation whose working will be kept under constant reviews." The Commission in its report has dealt with the application of the right to information in executive, legislature, and judiciary. The judiciary could be a pioneer in implementing the act in letter and spirit because much of the work that the judiciary does is open to public scrutiny. Government of India has sanctioned an e-governance project in the judiciary for about 700 crores, which would bring about systematic classification, standardization, and categorization of records. This would help the judiciary to fulfill its mandate under the act. Similar capacity building would be required in all other public authorities. The transformation from non-transparency to transparency and public accountability is the responsibility of all three organs of state. I have finished reading. Now let's try to solve it. A person gets power by acquiring knowledge from the Official Secrets Act 1923 through openings by denying public information. 55. It will be a person gets power A by acquiring knowledge. Right to information is a major step forward. Right to information is a major step forward to enable citizens to participate fully in the decision-making process, to make the people aware of the act, to gain knowledge of administration, to make the people government-friendly. 56. Correct option will be right to information is a major step forward to enable citizens to participate fully in the decision-making process. These options are very easy if you have actually read or studied with focus. Number 57, the Prime Minister considered the bill to provide power to the civil servants as an instrument for improving government citizen interface resulting in a friendly, caring and effective government, a draconian law against the officials to check the harassment of the people. 57. Okay, option the correct option will be as an instrument for improving government citizen interface resulting in a friendly, caring and effective government. Number B is the correct option. Number 58, it says the commission made the bill effective. The commission made the bill effective by extending power to the executive authorities, combining the executive and legislative power, recognizing judiciary a pioneer in implementing the act in letter and spirit, educating the people before its implementation. Correct option of 58, it will be C. That means recognizing judiciary a pioneer in implementing the act in letter and spirit. Number C is the correct option. 59 says, the Prime Minister considered the bill innovative and hoped that it could be reviewed based on the experience gained on its functioning. The civil servants would see the bill in a positive spirit. It would not be considered as a draconian law for paralyzing government. All the above. Number D, all the above. These all are correct. Number 60, last question, it says, the transparency and public accountability is the responsibility of three organs of state. That these three organs are what? Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and Judiciary. Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and Executive, Judiciary, Legislature and the Commission, Legislature, Executive and Judiciary. So this question is a very pragmatic question. You should also know, because if you do not know, then you will not be able to know how our India, how government function, how judiciary function, how people function, like this. So the correct option is number D, legislature, executive and judiciary. These are the important three organs. Thank you. That's all. I have finished one more question paper, previous year question paper. Hope it will give you a little insight, but stick to syllabus. Try to solve as many questions as possible related to syllabus. Thank you so much.